Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the Earth Signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no? So, kamusta kayo dyan mga Air Signs natin, right? No? So, let's see what's the message from your inner self, no? Family, people around you situation, career situation, person on your mind, situation ninyo, and of course, pinaka-importante, message and advice from the universe. And of course, no, also, self-care advice, no, for this coming week, no, for you, mga air signs natin, right? No, so, let's start agad, no, for you. Let's start with you, Gemini. No, so, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Gemini natin, right? No, so, let's see what's the message from your inner self, right? No, so, kuha tayo ng one card here for you, Gemini. Message from your inner self. Let's see. So, you have this, no? Don't forget to smile. No? So, for some of you, Gemini, maybe masyado na kayong seryoso sa buhay, right? No? You are forgetting to smile, right? No? Maybe, for some of you, nakikita na ng inner self. No? Or, literally, no? For some of you, napaka-sad nyo. Or, you are still, no? Parang hirap na hirap kayong tumawa, maging masaya. For some of you, mga Gemini natin, right? No? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rin dito for some of you, no? So, sinasabi ng inner self mo na huwag mong kalimutang maging masaya, no? Deserve mo ding maging masaya, no? Or smile, no? Even just for a while, no? Something like that, no? To reduce your stress also, no? Something like that, no? Just don't forget to smile, no? Literally, no? Message ng iyong inner self, right? Mga Gemini natin. So, let's see, no, anong meron pagdating naman sa inyong family. Ano bang tingin ng family mo sa iyo? Or ano bang meron sa family ninyo right now, no, mga Gemini natin? Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, Gemini. Tignan natin. So, you have this, no, solitude, and then wildflower. No? So, for some of you, Gemini, right, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, tingin ng iyong family, no, sa iyo, for some of you, right, no, parang ikaw to, na sabihin natin, ikaw yung kakaiba, no, something like that, no, sa family, no, ikaw yung kakaiba, but then, with this solitude, no, ang nakikita ko naman dito, no, sa iyo, kumbaga, ikaw naman itong nagbibigay ng peace of mind, ng contentment, harmony, balance, no, sa inyong family, right? No, even though na ang tingin nila sa iyo, you are different, you are this wildflower, no, parang you are just no, sabihin natin ikaw yung iba sa family. Sabihin natin, pwede rin sabihin natin matigas ulo, but then from you sa'yo nila nakukuha or nararamdaman once ang solitude, no, something like that, kapag kasama kanila, no, even though na parang matigas daw ang ulo mo, no, but then yun ang nakikita ko rito, no, for some of you, right, mga Gemini natin, no, gustong-gusto kanilang kasama, no, for some of you, no, because they feel this balance and harmony, peace, no, something like that, kapag kasama kanila, no. Ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right, mga Gemini natin. So, let's see, no, pagdating naman sa mga tao sa paligid mo, kaibigan man yan, co-worker man yan, anong tingin nila sa'yo, mga Gemini natin? Let's see, no, tingnan natin. Anong tingin nila sa'yo, right, no, ng mga tao sa paligid ninyo. So, you have this joy and delight and meditation for what is this? Meditation for creativity. No? So, for some of you, ang nakikita ko naman dito, no, very light or very kayo, no, sabihin natin na masayahin na tao. Ayan ang tingin nila sa'yo, no, mga Gemini, ng mga tao sa paligid niyo. And of course, no, at the same time, tingin nila sa'yo, napaka-creative mong tao. Right? No? Marami kang ideas to share, no? Marami kang na-share na ideas, no, na kapaki-pakinabang for some of them, no, na parang nakakuha sila ng mga motivation, of course, no, na mo-motivate mo tong mga tao sa paligid mo, no. And for some of you, maybe, no, nakikita rin nila, no, hindi lang mga tao, no, even animals are attracted to you, no, something like that, mga Gemini, no. They are sabihin natin na masaya yung mga animals when you are with them, no, something like that, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rin dito, no, for some of you, no, mga Gemini natin, no. So napakaganda ng mga tingin ng mga tao sa paligid ninyo, right, no. So marami daw kayong na-share sa kanilang mga creative ideas, no, something like that, right, no. So let's see, no, ano naman pagdating sa inyong career situation, right? So, kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Gemini. Career situation for Gemini, no? Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, Gemini. Let's see. So you have this King of Wands, courage, no, confidence, and passionate, and continue partnership, no, investing, fire sign. So for some of you, no, maybe meron kang partnership with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no, and also with this, no, King of Wands, no, talagang, and this person, no, confident tong person na to, no. So maaasahan mo tong person na to kung sino man itong iyong partner, no, sa iyong businessman yan, right, no, whatever, no, partnership you have this, no, you had with this person, no, maganda, no, maganda yung nagiging samahan ninyo, no, something like that, right, no. May confidence and courage because itong person na to, no, kumbaga ay maano to no, sabihin nating solid lagi yung mga ginagawa ninyang mga ideas, no, or yung sinishare niya sa iyo, no, parehas kayo, no, you are sharing, no, ng ideas, right? That's why parehas kayo ng vibes, no, something like that, no. So nagkakasundo kayo, right? No, so maganda yung nagiging result, no. So continue nyo lang daw yan, no, kung anong partnership meron kayo, no, ng tao na ito, right? Ng Gemini natin, no. So let's see, no, what's the self-care advice for you this coming week, Gemini. So kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, Gemini. Let's see. 1 card for Gemini, self-care advice for this coming week. No, so you have this, no, nourish your temple. So for some of you, no, sinasabi dito, your self-care advice is to nourish your temple, no, your own body, no, yourself, no, take care, no, of yourself, no, do a healthy lifestyle. I mean live a healthy lifestyle, no, and of course, no, sabihin natin na do some meditation also, no, kailangan din ng mga pahinga-pahinga, of course, no, and yan, ang pinaka-ano rito is just to take care of yourself, no, palagi naman yan, no, hindi lang yan this week, no, every day, no, this is your crown and glory, yourself, right, no, mga Gemini natin. So kailangan mo talagang alagaan, right, no, ito yung sarili mo mismo, right, no. So ayun yung sinasabi dyan. So let's see naman, no, ano naman pagdating sa person on your mind, do, mga Gemini natin. Let's see anong meron pagdating sa taong nasa isip ninyo, mga Gemini natin. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, Gemini. Person on your mind, anong meron? Tingnan natin. So you have this, no, love, unconditional love, self-love, no, wholeness, no, affection and attraction, selflessness, and love goal, no, expressing love. So for some of you, no, kasi ang nakikita ko rito, no, for some of you, nagkaroon kayo ng self-love, self-care, right, no? Mas minamahal niyo yung sarili niyo, maybe dahil sa mga pinagdaanan niyo from the past, no? Mas nagkaroon kayo ng confidence right now because mas nag-bloom kayo, right? No, kung makikita mo, red na red, right? No, you are at from that, no, because nagkaroon kayo ng self-love dito, right? No, mas minahal niya na yung sarili, no, right? No, so from that, nakaka-attract din kayo ng love, of course, right? No, and then there is someone, no, this person on your mind, of course, no, expect a call from this person, right? And this person, no, will sabihin natin na express his feelings for you, no? Maybe magko-confess ito, magsasabi na ito ng totoo niyang nararamdaman for you, no? There is a communication coming from this person, no? Mga Gemini natin, right? Na so what else, no? Ano pang meron pagdating sa taong nasa isip ninyo, mga Gemini natin? Let's see, ano pang meron? Kuha tayo ng 2 cards again here, no? Mga Gemini. No, person on your mind. Let's see. Ano pang meron? So you have this, no? See you. And then, sex workers fun. No? So for some of you, no, mas nakikita ko rito, right? No? Kumbaga, may pagkikita for some of you, no? Who is this person on your mind na maybe magkikita kayo for some of you. And there is, you know, no? May ganitong mangyayari for some of you, right? No? Sa pagkikita, no? So, yeah, may mag-meet up dito for some of you Gemini, no? For this, right? No? Yeah, no, for some of you, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? Literally, no, there is ganitong mangyayari, no? Sa inyo. Pagkikita ng person na nasa isip ninyo, no? Mga Gemini natin, no? So, what's the message advice for you, mga Gemini natin? Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 1 card here for you, Gemini, right? Let's see. So, you have this healthy boundaries. No? So, for some of you need to set some healthy boundaries, no? For some of you, Gemini, no? Sinasabi rito, right, no? Huwag kayo palaging, huwag all in, no? Sa people, no? Sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo, no? Huwag masyadong mapagbigay, no? Set some healthy boundaries, no? Kailangan nyo to para sa sarili ninyo, right? Protection din, of course, no? Para hindi kayo nasasamantala ng mga tao sa paligid ninyo, no? Hindi na nawawala yan. So, sa panahon ngayon, kailangan protektahan nyo mostly ang unahin nyo as ang sarili ninyo, of course, right? No? Huwag kayo basta-basta nagtitiwala rin sa mga tao, even though matagal nyo nang kakilala yan, right? Kaibigan man yan, right? No? Marami nagtatraidor, no? So, set some healthy boundaries, no? Limit your connection to others, no? Something like that, to protect yourself, of course, no? Mga Gemini natin, right? No? So, yeah, that's it for you, mga Gemini, no? So, I hope na nakaresonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, mga Gemini natin. So, yeah, God bless you all, and thank you for watching, Gemini.